Welcome to WABAM U. Today we are going to talk about WABAM Nitro. So we would have already had washed this with either WABAM Spark, our ceramic wash, or WABAM Whiteout, our high concentrate vehicle wash, trailer wash, etc. wash. So you would have done that already. We would have rinsed it. As you can see, the trailer here is still wet. So what we do is we get our beautiful WABAM snow machine back out. We fill that up to the top dimple with water. And then we take our nitro, we put 3 squirts in there. We're 1 to 2 ounces, 3 squirt method for us works really well. So that's what we want to do here, and now we're going to go apply. Now you can see with this is more of a sealant on there. It's not super foamy like our soap. And what we want to do here is just let it kind of sag there. It'll start to attach to the surface. We don't want to let it dry, but we can let it sit there for a couple minutes. On a big trailer like this, we have no issue doing the whole side. And then we come back and we rinse. This is a pH neutral rinse, very safe on everything. Really one of my most favorite products right here. It's just the most visual. If you can see now, this puts a hydrophobic sealant on there, and what it's doing is it eliminates about 75% of the water now you're left to dry. So just awesome.